All right, so typically speaking, regarding the floor, for those elements that haven't quite come in yet, I myself have entered, but if you haven't managed to get in, then, we're looking for a bounce off the insane and absolutely no faster than that. So what we do is we create a low, then we form a high, and then we attempt to break through the vector. The subsequent move, the next run, is looking pretty good right now, actually. We're seeing a double bottom pattern, a double bottom structure, and it's actually reaching higher levels, you see. We're getting a bounce off the divergence, and indeed, we have a divergence unfolding on the narrative chart, right? So we come back to try and break through, but we're just not capable of overcoming the vector there. What this means is we're going to bounce right here. We're going to see a rebound in the vicinity of this point in order to properly test these wicks that we've previously formed. And then we're going to resume our movement within an ocean dynamic. Because, at this very moment in time, as we're speaking, we are actually situated within a Bayesian dynamic. And from there, we're initiating a reversal pattern. Yes, indeed, a reversal is taking place. And so what we're observing here fundamentally are reversal candlestick patterns, okay? It's these two specific formations that are showing us this. You see this rose-colored one? Take a close look at it at the end of an impulse wave. These blue reversal candlesticks. This is telling you, with a volume that's perhaps around 150%, that we are encountering a significant shift. Then we come to these blue reversal candlesticks right here. The blues and the roses, these are inherent